We eat plants, we use them for building materials, we even cover our bodies in them. This top is made from linen, which comes from the linum plant. But today, I'm exploring another extraordinary aspect of our amazing plant-based culture, plants which are grown for our health and well-being. Take a look at these fabulous ginkgo-inspired gates. This is the perfect plant symbol to be at the entrance to the Botanic Gardens of Adelaide Garden of Health. And here's the tree itself. Ginkgo has a long tradition of use in complementary medicine in both the East and the Western traditions. This plant certainly knows how to live a long and healthy life. Scientists say it was actually around when dinosaurs walked the planet. The Garden of Health has areas for contemplation and reflection, a very important aspect of well-being. Other sections contain traditional healing plants used in times gone by and plants being put to use today in modern pharmacology. This amazing bulb is called Himanthes coccineus. It's known as the blood lily and comes from South Africa. Its striking flowers emerge in late summer and early autumn before its foliage even appears. This plant was used in the Neanderthal era, but even today it's being researched for its potential to treat inflammation. Now, caper bushes are really attractive in the garden and they're really hardy, but what we eat is the unopened flower bud or the berries. The berries and flower buds are really trendy at the moment with chefs, but it appears they've never been out of favour. Traditionally, it was used for coughs, asthma and toothache. These days, there is research into its antioxidant, anti-cancer and antibacterial effects. And of course, Australian native plants are not to be forgotten. This is kangaroo apple, or Solanum aviculare. Its ripe fruits are high in vitamin C, while its unripe fruits are a source of steroidal chemicals used in the pharmaceutical industry. This is native Cymbopogon, which is in the same genus as lemongrass. Traditionally, Indigenous uses included it as a lemon drink to relieve coughs and colds and made into a liniment for sore muscles and headaches. It was also used as an antiseptic. And that's just a small sample of the amazing plants showcased here in this garden. Many used in medicine in times gone by and in pharmaceutical labs today. And there's still so much more to discover and explore.